Did you know this humble root can do wonders for your skin? Seriously, beetroot is absolutely packed with amazing nutrients that boost circulation, fight inflammation, and help your skin get that beautiful glow right from within. It might just be the skincare secret you've been looking for. So, how does it work? It all comes down to science. Beetroot is incredibly rich in natural nitrates. When you eat them, your body cleverly converts these nitrates into something called nitric oxide. This compound is a superstar for your circulatory system. It relaxes and widens your blood vessels, which dramatically improves blood flow all over your body, including to your skin. Better circulation means more oxygen and essential nutrients can reach your skin cells. This helps them repair themselves from daily damage, stay healthy and resilient, and ultimately look more radiant and alive. Think of it as feeding your skin from the inside out, giving it everything it needs to thrive. It's a powerful way to support your skin's natural repair processes and reduce that tired, dull look we all want to avoid. But that's not all beetroot has to offer. It's also loaded with potent antioxidants, especially compounds called betalains, which give beets their vibrant red color, and of course, good old vitamin C. These antioxidants are like your skin's personal bodyguards. They go to work fighting something called oxidative stress. This is the damage caused by free radicals from things like sun exposure, pollution, and even just the natural aging process. By neutralizing these harmful free radicals, the antioxidants in beetroot help protect your skin's collagen from breaking down, which is key to preventing wrinkles and keeping your skin firm. They also help brighten your complexion and reduce the appearance of dark spots and dullness. It's a multi-pronged attack against the signs of aging. Now, you might be wondering, what's the best way to get these benefits? You can absolutely enjoy beetroot fresh in salads or roasted. But for consistent daily skin benefits, using beetroot powder is often the easiest and most effective way. It's concentrated, simple to measure, and you can add it to almost anything. A great starting point is just 1/2 to 1 teaspoon daily. You can mix it into a glass of water, your favorite juice, or my personal favorite, your morning smoothie. A quick tip: try to pair it with a source of vitamin C, like a splash of orange or lemon juice. This actually helps your body absorb the nutrients from the beetroot more effectively. And when you're buying a powder, make sure to check the label and avoid products with a lot of added sugar or unnecessary fillers. You want the pure, good stuff. Speaking of smoothies, let me share a super simple, delicious skin-boosting smoothie recipe you can make every day. All you need is 1/2 teaspoon of beetroot powder, about 1/2 cup of orange juice for that vitamin C boost, 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt for some protein and probiotics, and a little teaspoon of honey for a touch of natural sweetness. Just put everything into a blender, give it a quick blitz until it's smooth, and enjoy. This combination is fantastic because it supports circulation, provides a heavy dose of antioxidants, and helps with hydration. It's the perfect morning ritual for achieving that coveted glowing skin. Of course, beetroot works best when it's part of an overall healthy lifestyle. It's a powerful tool, but not a magic wand. Remember to stay well hydrated throughout the day by drinking plenty of water. Prioritize getting enough quality sleep, as this is when your skin does most of its repairing. Make sure your diet is rich in other skin-loving foods, like those high in vitamin C and protein. And here's a little trick for puffy eyes. Try a gentle tapping massage under your eyes in the morning to help improve circulation and reduce swelling. Combining these healthy habits will amplify the benefits you get from the beetroot. So go ahead and add a little beetroot powder to your daily routine and let your beautiful skin shine from the inside out. Remember, the key is consistency. Start small, stick with it, and get ready to enjoy the glow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on feeling your best.